thanks to DJI, I think we're in the summer of Mini. The Mini 3 Pro has just been released, and now we have leaks of the new Avata, previously referred to as the DJI Mini FPV drone. This leaked image from Dealdrones looks exactly like what OsitaLV said the new drone would look like. So let's take a look at this new drone. The first thing I notice is that there's two lenses in the front of the drone. A ducted drone like this is referred to as a Cinewhoop, and these props will have to be fitted pretty close to the ducts to enhance lift. If we zoom in past the props, we see that there's a rectangular frame protruding from the body, perhaps indicating DJI's first use of carbon fiber in one of their production drones. We suspected that DJI was calling this the Mini FPV drone because it was going to be under 250 grams. A Cinewhoop style drone like this can easily be sub 250. Obviously the drone has changed from his first schematic that we saw earlier this year. This schematic leans more towards what the original FPV drone looked like. And now that we're nearing release in July to August of this year, we can start thinking about the goggles and the remote for this new FPV system. It's unconfirmed if this is going to be the FPV goggles that will accompany the new drone, but the timing of these new goggles and the release of their new digital transmission system is uncanny. And if we take a look at this new Avata digital transmission system, we see that there's an uncanny resemblance to the back of the new DJI FPV mini drone. Located in the back of the Avata Mini FPV drone, you can see a striking similarity. And that brings us to the controller. Are we going to get a new motion controller for this new Mini FPV drone? And of course, will there be compatibility extended to the new digital FPV system? We'll look into that. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.